Hey designers, let's create this poster in Photoshop. Let's first place the image here. Go to File, Place Embedded. This is the image that I have downloaded from Pixels. Let's place it here. Now let's adjust the scale and position of this picture. I will scale it up and let's position it like this. After that, we have to select the main subject in this picture. So for that, go to Select and Subject. Subject will be selected. Here half the football and the shoe isn't selected. So let's select them with the help of the Direct Selection tool. After selecting them, right-click and select Layer via Copy. Select the original layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Adjust the amount of blur pixels. OK, after that, select this main image layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-J on the keyboard. Select the main image layer below and go to Filter, Blur, and give it a motion blur. Adjust the amount of the motion blur. Now, change the blending mode of the duplicated layer from normal to lighten. Now, we'll link both of these layers so that when we move one later, both layers move together. So select both layers and click on the link icon to link them. After that, let's open Google. Here I've searched for the Instagram homepage and found an image I like. Let's copy it by right-clicking and selecting Copy Image. Close the browser and open Photoshop. Press Ctrl+V to paste the image. Now, use the rectangle marquee tool to make a selection of the Instagram template. Right-click and select Layer via Copy. Then delete the layer below. OK, now select it again. Let's zoom in and make a selection of the area where the picture is placed. Select it and press backspace to delete it, like this. Now, create a new layer, take the white brush tool, and color this area white on the new layer, like this. Then press Ctrl+D to deselect everything. Let's lower the opacity of this newly created layer to 14%. OK, now these are the two layers that we created. Select both of them and link them as well. Now, let's adjust the position of this template. I'll scale it up. And then right-click, and let's distort it a bit like this. Good. Now, adjust the position and scale accordingly. Now move this player and its motion blur layer on top like this. After that, let's move this template image on top as well. OK. Great. Our poster is almost complete. Let's adjust a little bit of the image levels. So for that, first of all, select the background layer. Go to the adjustment layer and go to levels and adjust the levels of it like this. This step is totally dependent on you. Your poster is complete. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ace Designs.